Good morning, students. Today we are beginning our third lesson, countable and uncountable nouns. We know that nouns are classified into two categories, countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns. Nouns that have plurals are called countable nouns. These include most common and collective nouns. Example, girl, girls, table, tables, mountain, mountains, etc. A singular countable noun always requires an article before it. Tell me which are the three articles? A, an, and the. Examples, I saw an elephant on the road today. Here elephant is a countable noun. We use the article an before it. Second, Sudeep has an uncle in Yemen. Here uncle is a countable noun and the article an is used before uncle. Singular countable nouns take a singular verb. Plural countable nouns take plural verbs. If the countable nouns are singular, they always take a singular verb. If the countable nouns are plural, they take the plural verbs. Example, the pen is in my bag. In the first example, pen is a singular countable noun, so we used singular verb is. The pens are in my bag. In this example, pens are plural countable nouns, so we used plural verb are. Second example, the child laughs happily. Here child singular countable noun, laughs singular verb. The children laugh happily. Here children plural countable nouns, laugh plural verb. We use singular pronouns for singular countable nouns. We use pronouns in the plural for plural countable nouns. If the countable nouns are singular, we use singular pronouns. If they are plural, we use plural pronouns. Example, a dog ran after me, it nearly bit me. Here a dog is a singular countable noun, so the pronoun it is used. An angry man is his own enemy. Here an angry man also a singular countable noun. His is an singular pronoun. We use words like a few, a lot of, many, one, two, etc. with the countable nouns. Example, I have a few bangles. Second, there are many people in the shop. In negative statements, we use many before a countable noun. Example, I don't have many bangles. There aren't many people in the store. Very often, any is used in negative statements when something is not present. We already told that in negative statement, we use many before a countable noun. But in the sentence, when something is not present, we can use any. Example, I don't have any bangles. Second, there aren't any people in the store. Uncountable nouns. An uncountable noun has no plural. We cannot use number words like one, two, three, many, etc. with uncountable nouns. Tea, oil, water, etc. are all uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are generally material nouns like wood, silk, cloth, etc. These could also be abstract nouns which suggest an idea or express a quality. Some examples are knowledge, anger, fear, etc. Uncountable nouns have only singular form. You cannot add a number before it or an s at the end of these words. Example, rice, wheat, flour, steel, weather, furniture, happiness, etc. Uncountable nouns always take a singular verb. Uncountable nouns has no plural. They are always singular and take a singular verb. Similarly, we use singular pronoun for uncountable nouns. Example, the money is on your table. Will it be enough? Here, money is an uncountable noun. Is a singular verb. It is the pronoun. The weather is perfect. It is just the right weather for a picnic. The weather is an uncountable noun. Is a singular verb and it is the pronoun. We cannot use the indefinite article with uncountable nouns. Tell me which are the indefinite articles? A and an. We cannot use a and an with the uncountable nouns. The definite article may, however, be used. The definite article the may, however, be used. We also use expressions like some, a little, much, etc. Example, the juice in the fridge is fresh. Here, juice is an uncountable noun. We use definite article the. We need to buy furniture for the office. Here, furniture is an uncountable noun. Any is used with uncountable nouns to say that there is none. Any is also used to ask questions. As with the countable nouns, any is used with the uncountable nouns also to say that there is none. With uncountable nouns, any is also used to ask questions. Example, the rivers are dry, there isn't any water. Second, is there any free period today? There are various categories of uncountable nouns. Look at the table below for some examples. Examples for solids: bread, butter, cream, chicken, gold, zinc, silver, glass. Examples for liquids: water, tea, coffee, juice, wine, petrol, oil. Example for gases: air, oxygen, smoke, steam. Examples for grains or particles: rice, wheat, dust, sand, hair, grass, sugar. Examples for abstract nouns: health, love, fun, peace, honesty, intelligence, music. Examples for material nouns: wood, glass, paper, cement, steel. Examples for a set of similar items: luggage, furniture, money, hardware, mail, vocabulary. Examples for languages: French, German, Bengali, Urdu. Examples for activities: homework, singing, driving, tennis, work. Examples for elements of nature: rain, sunshine, thunder, electricity, snow, heat. The all categories which gave the given table are always uncountable nouns.